He's speeding. He's speeding. Oh, gosh, gosh.
Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch out. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Lito and Maddoxfamily. Today we're going to the snow. And
Yes!
Sky here is going to play in the snow.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have a fun time playing in the snow, and we're gonna bring you guys along with us. Alright, so we are super excited because this is gonna be Amaya's first time sledding. We usually go snowboarding and skiing. There's some awesome slopes over here. We can't wait to show you. Look at those awesome slopes up there, fam. We usually go skiing up here, but since we have Sky, we're gonna have to go sledding. We gotta start her off on something little, not too crazy. But look at those mountains, we love it. So comment down below if you guys go snowboarding or if you guys go skiing. These mountains are super awesome to hit up the slopes, especially right after Christmas. Go out with your family. Look at that, amazing.
We are on a mountain, a very tall mountain, and we're driving through clouds. It is awesome. Check it out. It is amazing how high we are.
Look at this, family. We're up on top of the mountain, and then we are actually on the cloud looking for a good hill to slide down.
It looks like it's a lot of people here too.
There is a lot of people.
A lot of people enjoying the day like us.
They're up here in the mountains. It is super foggy. It's starting to snow.
We're gonna be playing in the snow while it snows.
Yeah, this is gonna be awesome. It's amazing. I love the snow. Alright, I'm going over here. You ready, Dad?
Yes, sir. Let's rock and roll. Listen, listen.
Ah! Oh no, they started a snowball fight. Oh no, oh no! I think definitely Ashton is over. Whoa, that's a big snowball. Are you okay? Oh.
Okay, can you get my snowboard?
Nice, Lito. You ready to go down?
Yep.
All right. All right. We have Amaya, and we have to get her all snugged up and ready to go. We got a nice, cute teddy bear outfit. Sky, we got to get you ready for the snow, Mama. You ready? All right, Sky. Hi, Mama. Hi.
The bear outfit's always the cutest.
Right? Nice. Alright, so the boys already went off. Oh my gosh, so just stop. And Sky, she's just adapting to this cold weather, but she's all nice and snug in her teddy bear outfit. She's gonna go sliding down some mountains today, huh, Mom? Huh. Alright, Sky, here we go.
You guys ready for action?
We are ready.
Sky is ready to have her first adventure in the snow.
We're gonna go sledding down this little.
You guys ready?
We're ready to go sledding.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. There we go.
Wow. How was your adventure, baby Maya?
She made it. Yay! She's happy. That's good.
Now it's time for me to bring back the sleigh.
Oh yeah.
He's on his way down. He's speeding. He's speeding. Oh, come too close. Ah. Yeah, thank you. Alright. So you guys are ready to get way down. I'm going in donuts. Alright, family. So we are going to do a race. Me versus Ash. Who this? Yeah. I'm going to no, I think I'm going to. There's only one way to find out. Let's do this.
Who's gonna, like, it's gonna be a race between the three of us. Alright, so who's gonna win this?
Me. No,
It's gonna be $20,000 whoever wins the race.
Okay. Ready? Okay.
Hold on.
Yes.
Okay, it's gonna be on my signal. Whoever gets there first, down there. In that area there. Okay. Ready, set, go. Oh no, I'm stuck. No business. Business, no. Watch out! Watch out! Oh no! Oh no! Hold on. It's gonna be the last race of the century. Whoever wins this is the champions. The champions. It's not a champion like this champion. Whoever wins this, guys, wins everything.
Okay.
Alright, are you guys ready to win everything? Hold on. It's gonna be on my mark. Whoever's get there first wins. And I think it's gonna be me. Definitely it's gonna be me. People call me lightning. Okay, you guys ready? Set, go! Hey, not cheating. Yes. One. Oh shoot! Ah! Fast! Watch out! Oh! Oh! Yep, that's me. Okay, you guys tell the subscribers who won. Huh?
All right, family. So we are gonna go down this all together. Lito's gonna be the front. He's gonna record us. Ready, Ashton?
Go. Yeah. Go. All right, family. Look at this. Watch out!
You okay? Holy moly. You good? Alright, family, I don't know if you can see us, but we made it live. Go over there and ask them what they're selling, because next time we come over here, we can have an idea. What are you guys selling? Oh, esquites?
Yeah, esquites.
Oh, nice. How much are they? $5?
Yeah.
And the chili, everything?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go ask them if they want
we
some.
ran out already.
Oh, you ran out?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Next time. Do you guys come up all the time here? Tomorrow? Okay, thank you. All right, family. They were selling esquites, which is like corn in the cup. Super warm, super good, especially when it's super cold. And we are having a blast. My boys are up on top of the hill right now. Sky went sledding a couple times, but she's hanging out with my husband right now. It's absolutely beautiful here, family. I just really wanted to show you. We're on top of this mountain and the clouds, they're slowly moving past us. And we're actually in kind of a cloud too. You see that area over there? Super, super awesome. it's a little bit windy, but it is amazingly beautiful where we are. They're there right now, coming up. Oh no! Alright family, we've had super fun out here. I'm gonna go down with Lito and Ashton again. But look how beautiful that is. Oh, wait, don't go without me!
So my brother's behind me.
I'm putting it to you, so whatever happens to you happens to me.
Yeah. Here we go. Feet are starting to get cold.
I'm gonna give it a little push too.
Ready? Go. Oh, I'm going down. We're going down for real. Hey! Watch out!
That looks fun. What happened? You look cold, bro.
Oh my god! Oh my goodness! That was awesome how we did it. Alright family, so we had a super duper fun time. Did you guys have a fun time?
My face is on numb from all that snow that went into my face.
He got a snow unibrow. Like,
Yeah.
it was icy. Oh my god!
Right here. It was amazing, family. You guys should go sledding if you have this year. Comment down below.
Let us know. Did you have fun, Ashton?
Yes.
Did you win any races?
Yes, he did.
Yeah, so awesome, Ashton. And we went down together and we had a fun time. And Sky went down her first hill too. So we had an awesome time. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment down below. Don't forget we're doing a giveaway. All you have to do is be subscribed, comment, follow our social media feeds, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.